Okay, here's your Bosch front load washer, and we also have the matching dryer on top. And if you have a problem with your machine not spinning right, you should consider first of all cleaning your filter out. First thing you want to do is open your drain and allow any water to drain out. And after the water's drained, all drained out, there may be a little bit extra inside. So this panel goes on the top here. You just push down on that, it comes out. This here unscrews. Clean it out. Make sure there's no debris in there. Stick your finger in there and check the paddle wheels on the motor, and you should feel a sort of magnetic drag on there as you turn the paddle wheels inside. And just check in there and make sure everything's all clean. Stick your finger in there and make sure the motor turns well, and then pop it back together. And that's your Bosch tip for today. Thanks for watching.